This is the Koala Sublimation sticker paper that I'm going to be using in this video. We are going to be making some great sublimation stickers. For these Koala Sublimation stickers, I am going to be using a print then cut option. So I'm going to be printing this first and then I'm going to be cutting them with my cutting machine. So I am going to go and get these printed. Now I am not going to mirror my image here in my cutting machine. I'm going to hit continue and I am going to send this to the printer. I am going to mirror it in my printer and not my cutting machine. So I'm going to use system dialog and I'm going to go to print here. And I am going to select my Epson EcoTank 2840, which I've converted over to sublimation printing. I'm going to go under preferences and I'm going to go premium presentation paper matte, high quality, and under more options, I am going to turn bidirectional or high speed off and I am going to mirror my image and then we will get this printed. While that is printing, I am getting my heat press ready. I have my heat press set for 370 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to be using firm pressure and I am going to be pressing these sticker paper for 40 seconds. The design is almost done printing. Here is our sublimation print, and we are going to be adding that on now to the sublimation sticker paper. So I'm going to line this up and I'm going to lightly tape it in place with some heat resistant tape. All right, I've got this taped in place with heat resistant tape and it's on my pressing mat of my heat press. And we are going to press this at 370 degrees for 40 seconds. All right, this looks great. So now I'll get this put on my cutting mat. All right, let's get this loaded and we will get these stickers cut. These stickers cut perfectly. I just love the feel of them. They have such a great feel. So I'll get this on my tumbler and we'll check it out. These Koala sublimation stickers are such good quality. I absolutely love this. It was very easy to do. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.